Hi y'all, this is how to make Instapot bone broth. Bring your bones home even from the restaurant. I brought my bones home from the restaurant. Just have them package it up like you were bringing any kind of food home to make broth. Okay, let's pour this up. It's hot. We're going to pour it in this pan right here with the colander on it. See that bone broth? And pour it all in there. I always put this down in my pan so my bones aren't just stuck on bottom. And you want to put the skin in there. Okay. Get all of that out of there. Now this, me and my son ate at the Pizza Hut. And this is how many bones. Let's show you. That's how many bones that, that we cleaned off. And I brought them home so I could make bone broth for my cats. I don't want it because it's, it's not seasoned like I want it, but there is some meat in there, some skin that's so soft it will fall apart. The cats will eat that. There's pieces on here that you can't get off that just falls off the bone. So that makes a meal for them. They love it. Y'all eat out and you're going to eat some kind of chicken bone, ask for your bones. Don't throw them out, because that's what you do with them. You got animals. Dogs can eat it too. But you want to rinse. Now these weren't spicy wings. They were only barbecue wings. And make sure you rinse them off before you do them in your Instapot. In my Instapot, I just put them in there and put 4 cups of water. And you get about, I would say, usually you get this much. What is this? Quart, 32 ounces. See, I made broth before. We're going to use that up. And because they like their food wet. You can also use the broth, put it on dry food for cat or dog. So I did put a pinch of salt in there, a little bit. And let's see. Yep. Has a little bit of the barbecue flavor to it, but it won't hurt them. Okay, yeah, that's my tip for that. Your Instapot, add 4 cups of water, a pinch of salt, and your bones. Put a trivia in the bottom. Thanks for watching. And Sin is asleep. He's covering his eyes. Y'all come back.